Dancing with the heart is another. Yes, here come LKs to dance with legs and hearts.
Respected dignitaries of the dais, my beloved parents, teachers, well-wishers, and all my beloved students. A very good evening to all of you. It's my great joy to be present for this function, as I was a part of this institution a few years ago. I am glad indeed to note the changes which have given a new face to this institution after my going from here. And I congratulate the teachers, the management for the same. The management and staff who have toiled behind this development of the institution deserve a big round of applause from all of us, because for them teaching is a passion and it's a calling, and they are dedicated to what they are called to in spite of all the struggles they have come across. Dear parents and students, being part of this institution and its activities will give you enough to make you go through life with your head held high. What is important is to be a good family member. This school indeed is really special. It has got its own identity. Children are their strength and their inspiration. There is positive difference in the lives they touch. I should take this opportunity to thank every single person associated with the school for being with us in partnering the cause of education. I am extremely proud of you, dear parents, who are with us for placing your trust in us. But you have a huge role in parenting your children responsibly. You need to be vigilant with your children. See what they are doing. They are digitally addicted. We want our children to be ambassadors of love, peace and joy, and make this world a better one with their life. I want to tell the parents in the words of Khalil Gibran, your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of God. They come through you but not from you. And though they are with you, not yet they belong to you. You may give them your love but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. You may strive to be like them, but seek not to make them like you. Dear students, every single one of you has something you are good at. Every single one of you has something to offer, and you have a responsibility to yourself to discover what that is. That is the opportunity an education can provide, and that is what Kanosa gives you. Life is a large piece of marble and you are a sculptor. The mind, will and skill of a sculptor decide the shape of this marble. Likewise, your mind, will and skill will help shape your life. Do not allow circumstances to restrict your dreams. Learn from your teachers, seniors, and every person whom you meet along your journey. I would also like to share with you what Michelangelo, the famous sculptor, painter, architect, and poet said. I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free. To you, dear brothers and sisters, who have gathered in this ground from every part of Tuni. I offer my Christmas greeting. Christmas means peace with God, peace with others, and peace in your own heart. Every Christmas, God invites us to dream, to hope, and to see the world through the eyes of the Redeemer. Through this celebration of Christmas, may God renew our hope and our hearts and fill us with His joy. Wish you all a joyful Christmas and every blessing in the new year. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your loving and encouraging words. I call upon Sister Sophia Mary Saham, our principal, to honor Sister Teresa Lapar.